Well, hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel and another weekly dividend stock portfolio update. Today I have a slightly different video in a sense that I want to kind of walk through the top 5 best performing stocks and holdings that I have in my accounts and show you transparently where they stand, what was my average purchase price and what's the price currently and what's been the gains that I've had on those 5 top holdings. Number 1, and my best performing stock, is a company called NexTech AR Solution. This is a company that specializes in augmented reality, and they utilize their services and offer their services to various industries, including marketing, including advertisements, as well as their services in virtual conferencing. There are a number of reasons why I think this stock has been on fire over the past months. First and foremost, they have been acquiring a number of businesses aggressively, so they are increasing their presence in the field. Most recently, they acquired Inferno, which is a virtual conferencing service and tool, and they're incorporating the ARitize and augmented reality services within the virtual conferencing domain, which to me is very unique, and as a result, this stock is on fire. The second reason is the fact that recently the company announced that they have filed to be listed on NASDAQ. After they announced this, the stock caught fire and is really going up drastically. This stock is mainly listed on the Canadian Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol NTAR, but also is available in US dollars through over-the-counter with the ticker symbol NEXCF. Looking at the performance of this stock over the past month, it has gone up by over 200%, and in fact in the past week alone has gone up by about 45%. As for me, I owned a little bit over 1,000 shares of this stock. My purchase price for this stock was at 68 cents Canadian dollars, and looking at the current price for this stock showing $8.27, it is a whopping 1,116% return for this stock, which is just amazing. One thing that I did recently was selling a number of my shares just to take out my initial investment. So I sold about 200 shares and kind of cashed in the profit. My second best performing stock is Twilio with the ticker symbol TWLO. Twilio offers cloud-based and communication services to companies. For me, my purchase price for this stock was $109 US, and this stock currently sits at $240 US. So that's a whopping 120% return on this stock. My third best performing holding is TQQQ. This is a leverage ETF that aims to deliver triple the performance of NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 consists of major technology companies which have been performing so well recently, including Alphabet, Google, as well as Apple. So no wonder I have 113% return on this holding. I currently own 9 shares of TQQQ with a purchase price of $55 US, but it is now currently showing a price of $118 US. Next, I own 15 shares of Skyworks Solution with a purchase price of $77 US, and it's currently sitting at $131 US, showing a return of 69%. Skyworks Solutions is a major American semiconductor company that manufactures semiconductors for use in radio frequencies and communication mobiles. As a result of the 5G coming in very soon, the stock has been really performing so well because a lot of their products are actually used with different phone manufacturing companies. Skyworks Solutions is a dividend-paying company and is listed on NASDAQ. It has currently a dividend yield of close to 1.3%. Next, I own 1 share of Foot Locker. My purchase price for this stock was at $18, so I really timed it perfectly, perhaps with a little bit of luck. Currently, this stock is sitting at $28. I only regret that I have 1 share of Foot Locker. Foot Locker is an American retail business for athletic shoes and apparel, and looking at the valuation for this company and the stock price, in fact, the last time that the stock price for Foot Locker went so low, close to $18, was back in 2010. So I really took advantage of the decline in the stock price back in March and managed to buy 1 share of it. As a result, I'm showing a return of 60%. Foot Locker is actually a dividend-paying company, and currently the dividend sits at about 5.5%. There you have it, folks, my top 5 best performing stocks and holdings in my accounts. Let me know what you think. Do you own any of these stocks or exchange traded funds in your portfolio? I would love to hear from you, so be sure to leave a comment down below. By the way, remember, it's not always roses when it comes to investing in the stock market, which is why in my next video, I want to talk about my 5 worst performing stocks in the stock market. So stay tuned for that video. Here on Momentum channel, we post weekly videos about stock market investing, finances, and personal development. So if any of these topics interest you, please be sure to subscribe to Momentum channel and follow our journey here. Lastly, if you found this video beneficial, please give it a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram and Facebook page as well. See you next time.